Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing DoubleTree by Hilton San Francisco Airport North Bayfront. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, parking and a bar. Offering a free transfer service to San Francisco International Airport, this hotel provides a restaurant and an indoor splash pool. Free Wi-Fi is provided in all rooms. Union Square is 15 minutes drive away. Styled in modern decor, each air-conditioned room offers ergonomic desk chair, a flat-screen TV and free toiletries in the private bathroom. A coffee machine is also provided at DoubleTree by Hilton San Francisco Airport North Bayfront. Select suites feature a spacious seating area. WhiteCaps Drinks Eats, located on site, is open for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Boasting Bay Views, WhiteCaps Drinks Eats features indoor and outdoor seating. This restaurant offers Californian cuisine and provides a full bar. A poolside hot tub is also featured at DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel San Francisco Airport North. A fitness center is located on site as well as a 24-hour business center for guests. AT&T Park, home of the San Francisco Giants baseball team, is 8.1 miles away. Fisherman's Wharf is 20 minutes drive away from DoubleTree by Hilton San Francisco Airport North Bayfront. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.